Once I've made my search, I need to decide which source is best for me. And as you can look at this list, there are different types of resources available. So we have sources that are books, we have sources that are pictures, sources that are magazines, and sources that are news articles. Now notice next to each type of resource, there is a number. Obviously, there are not 26 book sections listed here. So to get to the rest of them, all I gotta do is click here, and the full list comes up for me to look at. Now it's helpful to know exactly what you're researching. So if I want to research owl babies, which are called chicks, I might search for something very specific. So I keep looking to see if anything's gonna help me. Oh, baby chicks. So I'm gonna click here. And I see my information is only about baby chicks. And it does have information that I'm looking for. Now if I want to go back to books, I can see if anything else might be helpful. For example, this section here. This is a general article about owls. And I can go through this article to see if anything is about baby owls. But there really isn't that much information. So I'm going to look for an additional article to help me out. So if I want to go back to the book list, I can click on books. Or if I want to go back to my search results, I can go back to owls by clicking here, looking at my breadcrumbs, and scroll down. Maybe I'm going to check out a newspaper article. And I see this newspaper article right here. Ooh, baby owl. Well, I'm researching baby owls. So why don't I check this one out? So I click on it. But I notice as I read this article, it's mostly about how this one baby owl, this baby chick, couldn't fly and that it had to be rescued by a police officer. But this doesn't really give me any information about what it's like to be a baby owl or the characteristics of a baby owl. So I think I need to keep searching. So what I'm going to do now is go back to my owls, follow the breadcrumbs back to owls, and I'm going to look at more articles. And that's part of research. You need to find multiple sources because not one resource is going to answer all of your questions or give you all the information that you need. And so you go back and keep looking until you find what is best for you.